It's your boy Josh, living his life, doing what he do. Yeah. I mean, you know, living my life and shit. Cruising to the bargain mart, get some shirts and shit. But it's me, right here, my regular life. My boy Alex. What's good? What's good? Yeah, it's too bad I gotta go back to Iowa, man. Cause you know damn well I don't wanna go to no Iowa. This is me. This is my home right here. This is all me. See them palm trees and shit? That's me. This is where I belong. Fuck Iowa. I mean, but I got a hoop, so shit happens. I mean, I just gotta accept that shit. I don't want to. That shit sucks. It's hard. Even my boys and shit. Alex and shit. Bumping that shit. Shit. Whatnot.
I get chips and dip with her, and the shit it get ugly if I twin sis with her.
Just got done hooping, you know. About to go get me some a fresh white, you know, some dicks, fresh dicks. I'll be straight for tonight. Fresh dicks and a white, that's all you need. Yeah. That shit right there. I mean, sometimes, you know, sometimes I get a little flashy, you know, sometimes, you know. But, you know, it's not always necessary because, you know, I just do me. Y'all can do what you want to do because I do me. And I do it real well. Real well. Yeah. But, you know, I guess I'll holler at y'all later. Hit me up. Do what you do. Just make sure you show love to my page.